In front of me is POCO M4 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select accounts and sync, and here you will notice that we've got Google account here. So just mark it, and if you want to remove it, tap on more and select remove account. Then confirm that you are aware that it will remove all its data as well. Click on remove, and as you can see, it disappeared. And then whenever you would like to add some Google account, just go to accounts and sync, click on add account, then pick Google. Obviously make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. And now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account, and click on next then. Now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and tap on next. And here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the above, just click on I agree. Then click on accept, and as you can see, it has been added. You can smoothly use this account in your phone. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.